Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create a mock-up in Cricut Design Space. These are good to show your customers examples of what you can do without wasting any materials. For this tutorial, I'm going to use a onesie as an example. I'll just adjust how I want it to look and I'll use my camera to snap a photo. With Mac or PC, you'll email your photo to yourself, but for today's example, I'm just going to use my mobile app. In Cricut Design Space, I'll upload, select my photo. I won't do any cleanup here. I'll just tap next, and then I'll save as a print then cut. Just name your design and save. And then I'll bring my image onto the canvas. So now we have our mock-up in Cricut Design Space. I can go ahead and add my text. You can create mock-ups on baby onesies, on t-shirts, on coffee mugs. Just make sure you get a good clear image to work with. So for this tutorial, I'm going to make a pregnancy announcement. I'm just going to type out my text. And for this part, I'll go to Edit, Alignment, and change it to Center Text. And I'm going to ungroup and move the year over just a bit. And now I will add my last name. Remember, with script fonts, we have to change our letter spacing, so I'll go to Edit and Decrease. And then I always weld my script fonts. When I'm happy with my design, I will select all and attach. That way it'll cut just the way we want it to look. So now you can move it over onto your mock-up. You can adjust the size and make it look just how you want. And then I'll just screenshot, crop my image down, and save it as a photo. You can also enter designs over your mock-up. Your options are limitless. And this gives you the perfect example to show your customers without wasting materials. So now you can see we've created our mock-up and we're ready to advertise. So thanks guys for watching. Like the video if it was helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. And until next time, thanks guys.